Well, we're onto a new project inside the house. We're replacing our kitchen, finally, after 22 years. And before we do that, I have to replace the window that's currently in the kitchen, which is an old timber window, with a brand new aluminium sliding window. So here's Leo. He's inspecting the work. But this is the window we're going to pull out. What I've got to do is got to take out the window, all the architraves, and fit the new one in its place. So that's the inside. That's the outside. And that's the window. So timber windows and aluminium windows are a little bit different in that the timber windows come through and they're all even all the way. And there's a little bit of a trim there, and there's an architrave on the inside. But with the windows, the aluminium windows, they have a slight difference inside to outside. So this is the size of the window outside, but this is the size of the window inside. So it's 20mm bigger on both sides. And you can see over the top here how it's a little bit smaller there than it is here. So what I need to do is install the window and then put some trims and mouldings around it to close all the gaps. So in effect, we'll take this off, and the window should cover the gap that's in the brickwork that way, but this way there'll be some gaps that I have to put some aluminium trim on. And let me show you the sliding door, what we did. So you probably don't even notice it because it's designed not to be noticeable. This is the window. This is a bit of trim that's glued in to cover a gap. There would have been a 20mm gap all the way down there around the edge. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let me set up the camera and film me pulling the window out and replacing it with the aluminium. So there we have the window out. Now I have a gaping big hole in the wall, ready for the new window. I just need to do a little tidying up, put a few timber plugs in so I can nail the window, and it'll be ready to go. And there it is, fully installed. It looks much nicer than the old timber window, and it works a lot better too. And now it matches the existing sliding door that we installed last time. So now all it's left to do is put some angles in here. And that's pretty much, that's from the outside. Much cleaner and much nicer than it was in timber. And there's another successful project finished at Dom's workshop. So I'll see you in the next video.